Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. In this video, we are going to discuss ICP, the Internet Computers Crypto. None of the content is financial advice. Over the last 24 hours, ICP has rallied the most amongst its top 50 peers. It's currently rallied up by about 15% from the range lows that it hit a couple of weeks ago. Over the last 7 days, also the leading crypto rallying about 24% since the last 7 days. Right now, the price of ICP is at around $4. And ignoring this wick over here in this early October crash of crypto, ICP generally used to bottom since about 2022, late November 2022, in this zone of about between $2.90 and about $3 right now. From that zone, the price has started to rally back up. A couple of key levels of resistances to contend with are the 20-week moving average and the 21-week exponential moving average, coming in at around $4.67 and $4.75 respectively. So a narrow range of that 10 cents level, about 65 cents higher than the current price. That's the first major area of resistance to contend with. And then finally, the 50-week simple moving average at around $6.45. This descending white line over here, the series of lower highs and lower lows that ICP has been forming on this time period starting March 2024. This could potentially resolve towards the end of year if there is no major euphoria in the asset class. Then that price could meet that white line somewhere at around $8 level. That's about 2x of the current price. That would be kind of a depressing scenario considering how high it went in 2024. But that's just the reality of the matter, using using historical data and technical analysis as a tool. Coming to the our own website, cryptoweeklies.com, which has all of the videos over here linked to the YouTube channel as well. You can see about 1,000 videos we made over the course of last 3 years, most of which again analyzing using machine learning and technical analysis and regression. Several videos related to ICP made over the course of the last 3 years. You can check them out to kind of validate what the claims were made using data on this channel. ICP again has 3 charts, first on its USD pair and then Bitcoin and ETH pair. Starting with the USD pair, the non-euphoria bull run peak estimated for ICP at a weekly average, again as it stands over the couple of weeks to months, is at again lower than the current price. Again, this is the weekly average, but if you factor in some euphoria towards the end of the year, then the rally back to the 20-week simple moving average is on the cards per the 2 standard deviation euphoria case model. The max permissible ceiling for ICP is at around $7 as it stands today, between now and end of year 2025. That could be a scenario where the price at a candle body could meet that descending white line over here. That's the output of machine learning based model. The regression based analysis for ICP says that again the price unfortunately is fair value is trending down with time, as it is often so with altcoins, especially when they are in a severe downturn. So key levels to watch before the rally cools off is at around $4.82. That's again confluent with that 20-week simple moving average price based resistance. The upper bound for 3 standard deviation residual is at all the way at about $7. Again, that's where the price could meet that descending white line. And in terms of the time weighted average price, again continuously trading below the time weighted average price. Ultimately, this could be an area of major resistance if and when the price tries to rally to that $15 or $16 level, like it did back in March 2024, only to ultimately meet a massive resistance over here and coming crashing down. So that's the ultra bull case for ICP, that $15-16 level. The regression based color code, again this model did identify a major peak in March 2024 when the price was not just higher than the regression based fair value, but also the 2 standard deviation residual drawn from the fair value. So now if we hypothesize that right now the regression based risk is at 0.62, if it were to go back to the top of the channel, that is closer to the $5 target for ICP. So first major area of Confluence at around $5, then the next at around where the price could potentially meet the white line over here at around $8 and change, and then the macro bullish case for ICP, if that everything kind of lines up, would be that 0.38 to at around $16, as established by the time weighted average price model. The 20-week simple moving average price based model says that right now the risk levels are at around 0.44. If they were to go back to 0.7, the price could be somewhere close to that $11, and the top of the channel is at around $15. That's the bull case for ICP. With that, I would like to conclude first by saying the price action for ICP has been quite disappointing since March 2024, and essentially if you have a macro outlook, since 2021 kind of began, the price has been down only from that $400 in May 2021. Even if we ignore that, saying that it was a launch related issue, still from December 2021, if you measure from that $30 level, which it hit in 2021, late 2021, still it's about 1/10. The price is almost 1/10 of currently of that 2021 high. And still, if we were to look at some of the major levels, the first level, as we mentioned, near that $5 level, then the second at around $8, and the top of the channel at around $15. That's what we have as of today. If something changes, these models are all live models. They would be able to catch if there is any change in the reality of ICP and its rallies as we move towards the end of year 2025. With that, I'd like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and check out all of the charts on cryptoweeklies.com, not just for ICP but for all major cryptos. Especially the top 20 by market caps have a lot of charts. The indicators such as what's the overall news sentiment in the wider crypto market, what's the Bitcoin ETH risk level, what is the year to date ROI for BTC and let's say other major cryptos over here, and what's the overall bull market completion. So those kind of analytics are available. Hope you enjoy those. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.